So clients stopped showing up as they used to show up. People were not re-enrolling in their programs like they used to show up. And I was really frustrated. And quite frankly, I was confused and I didn't know what was causing this change. And it wasn't until I spoke to a mentor who gave me insight into how I was the source of this change and how I was making this very expensive mistake and what I could do to turn it around. So I was speaking to my mentor, one of my mentors, and I was explaining to him what was happening behind the scene, i.e., what was happening in my personal life, all the challenges that I was going through. And he said, well, when you're operating from a low energy, you actually repel clients and money. And it was then that I realized that I was causing this mistake because you can't fake energy, right? Like operating from a low energy, from being stressed, depressed, anxious, worrying, defeatist, doubtful, feeling discouraged, all of that is not going to attract high income and high level clients and high level opportunities. It actually repels that. And no matter how much we fake, or I was trying to fake this challenge I was having in my personal life that was bleeding into my business because I'm a whole person, I was actually repelling. And, for me to re-energize and get back into high energy where there's abundance, where there's possibilities, like going back to the garden, the one thing that's helped me more than anything, the thing that changed things was to slow down, slow down, slow down how I responded to emails, slow down how I did my work, just slow everything down. Now, that may sound like, oh, that's it. Well, if you're used to over functioning, overextending, over delivering, over caring, over nurturing, being the go-to person in your personal and business life, yeah, that's a radical act to actually slow down. And slowing down is an extension of really, I'm going to trust God. I'm going to stay calm. I'm going to slow down and know that I'm not the only one. If it doesn't get done today, no one's going to die. And I don't have to work at an unhealthy and unhelpful pace anymore. Slowing down is now my go-to when I feel that I may be on that edge of burning myself out. It's like, you know what? I could do one more errand or I could send one more email, but I'm because I'm slowing down, there's space for me to make better decisions on what I want to do and is it healthy and helpful for me. And it took me a while to understand that slow is actually fast. Like I'm just actually learning that slow is actually fast. Because before when I thought that I was slowing down, and I was slowing down comparatively, but now where I see that I'm seeing when I recognize when I really slow down, it's when I'm really slowing down that answers, solutions are coming to me that just don't come when I'm really over functioning, over serving, over delivering, over nurturing, things that many, if not most, high achievers do. Because again, energy is contagious and premium value clients are repelled from low energy. And low energy shows up in the way that we think, the words that we use, the decisions that we make, our attitude, everything, right? And it can't be faked. The wonderful thing is to know that we have the power, right, to change it. And what I have found is slowing down, being courageous enough to slow down so that you respond, so that I respond, not react, so that I observe, not absorb, so that I can detach to attract is the key. It's and the Bible talks about this when he tells us to wait. It's not a passive activity, slowing down, waiting. It's a proactive activity. If you're wondering why things aren't working the way that they used to, maybe the clients, the leads, the opportunities aren't coming in, it possibly could be your energy. And slowing down could be a strategy for you to get back. I want to say to yourself. I know for me, it's like, let me get back to me, my natural, happy, energetic self. Listen, if you are wondering other mistakes that you may be making that is repelling premium value clients for you, I have a training on the 7 biggest money mistakes that female entrepreneurs make that keep them from millions, that will absolutely help you and you'll absolutely love. You're going to learn how you can raise your fees without feeling guilty or adding more to your plate. You're also going to learn why you are not being found by premium level clients and how to be found by people who are ready to invest in your highest level offer, and how you can have a 5, 6, or 7 figure launch without burning out. Go ahead and grab that training now and the bonus workbook. You can click on the link in the comments or go to the link in the description section. Listen, I'd love to hear from you. If you are ready to be your happiest, healthiest, and wealthiest self, type in the comments, slow down. I want to stand in agreement with you for that. Okay, until next time, see you in the comments. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when we release a new video. Then click the TV to watch the next video. Go to altheamcintyre.com to get your free training on the 7 biggest sales mistakes that keep you from 7 figures.